Oh, hello. Good morning. Welcome to this hellscape. We're cleaning today. I think that would be a really good idea. Last week I had someone come in and do some plastering upstairs, and every time I have stuff happen in the house, the rest of the house just gets messy. I can't explain it. I just think, oh well, part of the house is chaos, so what is the point, honestly? So I'm gonna fix that today. I'm in my comfy clothes and we're gonna do some tidying up. Let's start from the beginning. I actually started this yesterday, but then it started raining and it was too dark to film. But I started in the plant room because I made a horrible mess while planting some succulents and decided, let's film this video.
So as you can see, I folded all of my cloths and now I'm on to cleaning, and I'm actually using these Ocean Saver eco-friendly cleaning products that I bought from a store called the Little Fenland Eco Shop, and the owner Nicola packaged them up with recycled packaging and a little note, which I thought was so nice.
Right, let's give it a go. Oh, it cleans really nicely. Look at that.
I'm using the kitchen cleaner today and I was really impressed with it. I've been dying to try these for absolutely months, but I've been waiting until my old cleaners run out so I could reuse the bottles, because I feel like buying new ones would defeat the purpose. But I'm so impressed and I can't wait to switch out all of my other cleaners for these. So if you see me using old non-eco-friendly cleaners in this video as well, that's why I'm trying to use up the bottles. So definitely check out the Little Fenland Eco Shop. They have an Instagram page as well. That's where I bought it from. And now I'm moving on to the drawer of my washing machine, which I needed to give a really good scrub because it was super gunky and disgusting. And for this I'm using the pink stuff. If anyone has a good alternative to this product that's slightly more eco-friendly, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love that. I haven't found anything that works quite as well yet. So I'm also cleaning out the inside of the drawer, and I'm going to go quiet for a little bit and let you enjoy the cleaning.
And now we're back to the present day. I'm going to attempt to get the rest of the house clean all in one day. That's gonna be fun. We're currently in the kitchen, which looks a little bit like this. It's been worse, but honestly, it could be a lot better. We've got some work to do in here. So, I don't want to, but let's get started. Let's deal with this first. Are these clean? Yes, they are. A lovely surprise.
Something I like to do every couple of weeks when I really want to deep clean is to boil my kitchen sink plugs with some boiling hot water, disinfectant and a bit of fairy liquid, and then with the leftover water I clean my brushes. This is your gentle reminder to clean out your toast tray every once in a while. I always forget that it's there, and once a year I'm like, I should probably do that, and then it creates a horrible mess. So yeah, just your daily reminder to do that.
My bedroom is not too bad. I just gave this space a makeover a couple of weeks ago, and I've actually changed the bedding quite recently as well, so I'm just gonna give it a quick once over because it's looking ever so slightly cluttered again.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona.
Like I said, there's not much to do in my bedroom, just surface level tidying to get it looking a little bit tidier. Look at all this recycling. How do I make so much recycling? I don't know. Also, I got this sunset lamp from Amazon. I saw it on TikTok a few months ago, and it's actually the best thing. It's so nice in the evening. Anyway, I'll be quiet and I'll let the music do the talking.
For all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes.
With the bedroom done, it's time to move on to the bathroom. I like to give this a deep clean about once a week. It's not too messy, it just needs a good clean. I love taking baths, so I need to clean the bath. And I also topped up the brightness of my hair with a colour mask, and there's little bits of orange everywhere. So I just wanted to clear off the sink, get everything looking a lot more clean, and get rid of all of the orange colour mask from everything. This stuff gets everywhere. It's a nightmare. Oh, it's hard to keep up with all these fun hair colours, I'm telling you.
And I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious feeling, the end's unknown, to get back the life I used to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Now we're moving into the sitting room, and other than opening a package and creating a horrible mess, this room wasn't too bad, so I'm just going to give it a surface level clean. I clean it in here quite often and it tends to stay fairly tidy, unless I go into package opening mode, in which case it's like a complete tornado has ripped through this room, which is always the way. Anyway, let's go back into the montage. I only use a microfiber cloth with nothing on it to clean the TV. I don't want anything bad happening to it. And also this mirror is antique and I can't get the stains off it. I think I need to get it resilvered, but I haven't done anything about that yet. As for the rest of it, I just keep going with some cleaning solution and my microfiber cloth and give it a good vacuuming. Once again with the hallway, it's a nice simple project. It's just surface level clutter and a really quick clean that it needs. This is just stuff that collected over the space of about a week or so. It happens, it's a busy entryway, but you know what, it's so much less cluttered than it would be before now that I made this cabinet, or DIY'd and upcycled this cabinet that was in a video a couple of months ago. It makes such a difference because it holds all my shoes, so I have no excuse to leave every single pair of shoes floating around in my hallway now.
So here we are back at the beginning, and it feels so good to finally have my house completely tidy. Sometimes what I do is I'll tidy one room at a time, and by the time I've done the whole house, another week later, it's messy again in the first room. So this was nice to spend a whole day and a bit cleaning the whole house. And I have recently seen a few comments about doing an updated house tour. I'm definitely going to be working on that very, very soon. As soon as I've got the back bedroom sorted, we'll be good to go. I hope I can get this house as tidy as it is today for the house tour, so wish me luck. And if you're doing any cleaning today or this week, good luck, happy cleaning, and see you next time. Bye.